Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted anything for 10 days because I literally forgot about my channel. But now we're gonna Hurricane Milton is right now a category 5 hurricane and it's gonna hit Florida at category 3 hurricane. No, I think it's gonna hit a category 5 and it's very bad. Like right now we have 180 miles per hour. Imagine now. I'm not it's not gonna slow down. There's gonna be more. I believe this hurricane is gonna be the fastest hurricane ever. And a YouTube channel that I watch named Mark Payton Vlogs is gonna go there and probably die because it's so intense. Very intense. Very. Right now, people are leaving Florida to safety, but some people are gonna stay there, or people from the other states are gonna come where Milton is gonna landfall the storm chasers to go through the winds. I can't wait to see their live stream. Well, the reason why I'm making this video is because I have this game called Infinite Flight Simulator, and I got multiplayer a few months ago, and I'm gonna fly this. Well, let's see what plane should I fly. To start out, let me try Cessna. No, let's try MD-11. MD-11. Let's see. American Airlines. Yeah, let's try American Airlines. Alright, it has, if you put in a multiplayer, it can show you live weather. But there's no rain, it's just winds, visibility, temperature, clouds. Oh, there's no clouds. And yeah, so we're gonna check out at this airport, and we're gonna try going through the hurricane. Well, let's check out how indeed it is. Right, let's see. Right now we have. If you look in the bottom right corner, around there, it'll say the winds, and there's gonna be 10 knots. That's the wind speed, 10 knots. But I don't know which is in the miles per hour, but I can't put it in miles per hour. Probably can, but no. Right, so we're gonna now fly. I'm gonna take off. Let's take off from the the taxi. I gotta fly there. Wait. Gotta put it here. Oh, dang. Okay. Alright. Yep. Alright. Head this way because this is where the hurricane is. And right now there's lots. Let's try with a fighter jet. Let's try an f22. I never tried this f22. Let's go. Let's fly this fighter jet. Alright, so it's very loud, so if you're wearing headphones, you have to take it off because it's very, very loud. Alright, there's a plane that's descending. I'm just gonna gear up. I'm gonna gear up. Oh, okay, so right now it's normal, but if you put it there, then... Oh, no. Where's it? Where am I going? Okay, I'm going this way. Going the right way. I'm going past the speed of sound. I'm going Mark 1.19. Now we have 32, 33, 34, 30... Bro, what... Right now we're having 40 knots. Well, let's go on ground to actually feel the wind. We're like the hurricane hunters. Oh no, the plane is so wait. Let's see how much turbulence we have. Oh no, we're having look at the turbulence. We're having extreme turbulence. Oh no. Oh no, we're having extreme turbulence. Oh no, we're cooked. There's so much turbulence. Oh no, but wait until it hits Florida. Look how much turbulence there is. Look how much the plane is shaking. Now let's go through the storm. We'll find out. Gotta go fast. Alright. 51 knots of wind. Oh no. What happened? Why? Let's go lower. There should be more wind. Oh no, there's less wind. Did we just go through the eye wall? Oh, inside the eye. Did we just do that? I don't know. Wait, are we going the right way? This way. Yeah. Wait, pause the game. Let's check where the hurricane is. I'm gonna check the radar on the weather channel. Alright. Milton update. Hurricane warnings up for Florida. Yay. Alright, let's see. Alright, please don't go to my location. Please. Alright, right now, looks like the hurricane is right there. Okay. Alright, let's go to the right. Oh, no. Alright, which way? Let's check the globe. Alright, we better go through. 59 knots. 60, 61, 62, 6. Oh dang, it's so windy. I can't see what. Look how much. Wait, let's check the weather. No, full turbulence. There's full turbulence. Oh no. Look at my plane. Look at my plane. I was not supposed to do that. Why is it like this? Well, let's do some. Oh dang! Look at the G-force. Look at the G-force in the bottom middle next to the yoke on the left. Look at the G-force. Well, let's do some maneuvers. Oh dang. Oh no, we're gonna stall. Come on. We're stalling out the plane. We're having enough altitude. Which way we go? We're definitely going the wrong way. There. No. Keep going. No, we're going in a nosedive. Stop. No nosedive. No, we're going there. No, I don't want to go there. There we go. There's a hurricane. 67 knots, oh my gosh. No, this is too intense. I think the hurricane hunters aren't even gonna go there because how windy it is. Can't even control the plane. Let's check the weather. Yeah, the extreme. Yeah, there's extreme ones. No, the plane is cooked. What's our ground speed? What's our ground speed? Our ground speed is the same speed as our airspeed. Are we going right away? We're going to right there. Oh, dang. No, we're not going inverted. I think we're about to approach the eye because it's starting to get less windy. Right now we're having 53 knots. Our stick, our turbulence is extreme, as you can see. Up to south. Yeah, how are we looking right now? How are we looking? Maybe we approach the, I think we're good enough. Or, looks like we're about to approach the eye. There's literally a C-130 right there. There's a C-130 right there. They're going to go through Hurricane Milton. Alright, I think right now we're starting to approach the eye wall. I thought we were just going in the eye wall, but no. Look how much wind is getting. Look how much wind. I can't even control the plane. There's too much turbulence. Oh, there's barely any fuel. Just that. 1 hour, 18 more minutes. Alright. 74 knots. Wait, if you go on this mode, on the free mode, you can hear how windy it is. You hear the wind? How much crosswind are we having? Oh, we're not having that much crosswind. Yeah. Alright, let's descend. So we have more wind. Well, we're having more wind up north, but I wanna catch the actual ones. Alright, let's pull up. Guess 74 is our maximum. Yeah, we're technically in the eye wall. Let's check the weather channel. Let's see where the hurricane is. No, not my location, No. Ah, shit, I did it. Right. It's now 7:15. Let's put in 7:15. Oh, we're going good. Oh, dang, no. Not inverted. No. Wait. Let's go north. Alright. Oh, damn. Alright, looks like we're about to approach the eye because it's not gonna get this windy. And I can actually believe that we're about to approach the eye. Now let's go fast. Or let's try breaking the speed of sound so we could get there faster. Alright. Oh, I'm not going this. Let's put a 0. Alright, there we go. Right, we're starting to approach the eye. Yeah. Still extreme turbulence. Yeah, we are approaching the eye. Look how much the one direction is changing. The one direction is changing. Did we just made it through the eye? Are we going to the back side of the eye? Or we're sending a little too much. I got to send it. Probably because there's. They were just sending too much. Alright, pull up! There you go. Alright, there's Mexico. I thought. What is that? I don't know what that is. Wait, are we in real time? No, we gotta. Okay, that's better. Now that's real time. Which the sun is about to be sunset. Mexico. Yeah. Right. No, we're not going with this speed, so we gotta go faster. 1, 2, 3, Alright, Mach 1. Once we hit Mach 1.5, Mach 1.5. I don't know if we could. Oh, look at the wind. There's 37 knots. We're descending so much. Let's go below. Let's go 8,000 feet. 8,000 feet. Alright, there. Okay. Alright, there we go. One deal. Wait, what is our maximum? Let's see, how's the class doing? Alright, we're still on approach the backside of the eye because the wind is changing to the other side. Alright, we're about to approach the backside of the eye wall. Once we hit the backside of the eye wall, the video's gonna end. Alright, come on. Alright, we are starting to approach the backside of the eye wall. I think we could see the eye. Yeah, that's the eye right there. Oh, ding. No. Ah. We're good. I just wanted to end the video. Please let me end the video. I'm playing forward. Okay. 1.5. Okay. 800 knots of airspeed. This can handle Mach 2. Probably kind of the same speed as the Concorde. Right. Are we approaching the eye wall or just the eye wall the whole entire time? Or still approaching the eye? I don't know. In 20 minutes I'm gonna end the video. Right. Now probably the backside hasn't that much wind, so yeah. Yep, it's just descending. Looks like we don't have that much wind. Let's descend to 5,000 feet. That'll be a problem! 7,000? 6,000? 5,000. There we go. I feel so bad for the people that's about to get hit by Milton. Wait. does that look like? What does it look like? That looks good, looks good, looks good. Alright. 20 minutes. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. And subscribe so you can see more stuff like this. Well, not about flying because I used to have an aviation channel, but not anymore. So, about weather. So, see you in the next video. Or next live stream, right? Bye.